Okay, check out the lions behind me. So cool. Now I need some whiskey. Let's go. Hey, welcome to Local in Seattle. I'm your host, Kelly Hansen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you're gonna wanna watch the entire video. I'm gonna say that right now, and hit that like and subscribe, because this video is actually a giveaway. So more information on that later, but what am I doing? Why am I at the zoo after hours? Well, I am at Woodland Park Zoo for their event tonight, which is an adults-only event, Whiskey and WildBites. You probably figured it out. I'm drinking whiskey, I'm eating a bunch of amazing food from Seattle's premier chefs. So many cool restaurants to try that I never have. I'm really excited about that. But to be at the zoo after hours and get to go to all of the exhibits for free, sign me up. And of course, if you're an animal lover like me, I'm really excited because all of the proceeds tonight actually go to help local wildlife in the Pacific Northwest and beyond. So without further ado, let's go, because I'm starving per usual and I want to see the animals. I'm trying some rare steak from Eden Hill Restaurant.
That's fire.
We're doing a crispy lamb croquette. We braise and press lamb shoulder, then we fry it. On the bottom we have a little bit of a cucumber labneh, pomegranate molasses, pepper, and corn relish.
Ooh, bomb. I'm excited. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Cheers.
Awesome, we've got a little lamb and marjoram sausage right here with the truffle cabbage, apple slaw, little cornichon on top.
I'm trying this dish from Rock Creek. This is big. Woo. Pickle down. I'm gonna be so full. Those flavors are so good. Now I need some whiskey. Let's go.
So we have our Cocoa Bomb today, which is a delicious chocolate whiskey, or we have our dual barrel old fashioned ready whiskey.
Ooh. I'm gonna go with chocolate.
Good choice.
Cheers. Are you supposed to shoot it? That does taste like chocolate, but that is strong.
This is St. Liberty. You're looking at the Josephine. We also have Mary's 4 Grain, and then Birdie Brown. These are all Texas whiskeys.
Ooh, cheers. Thank
Cheers,
you.
hope you enjoy.
Whiskey tasting number 2. I have like 6 tasting tickets. Oh. Oh. Woo.
This is Buddy, the Pharaoh's eagle owl. So by the name, where do you think he's from?
Egypt.
Yeah, he's an African species. So these guys are going to be native to the deserty areas. So he might like kind of resemble a great horned owl.
Are you having fun?
I'm having a great time, yeah.
Yeah? What's been your favorite thing to eat or drink?
Oh man, that's a
Let me
hard
tell you. Maximilian Petty. We're
Yes.
following our ladies. We do what they say. You know how it is.
Smart men. So this night was so fun, and I promised you guys information about the giveaway. So if you want 4 free tickets to Brew at the Zoo, an event coming up in October, you need to comment below your favorite exhibit at Woodland Park Zoo that you must see. Put that in the comments, and you will be entered to win as long as you are following me on Local Lens Seattle on all social media accounts, and hit that like and subscribe button to make sure that you can be entered. So, thank you so much for watching, and until the next adventure, bye!